Okay, so I showed you how we did it in class, which is pretty much the same way the book does it, just minus one step. And that was in the first video. So this video is taken from On My Own, and we're going to blow it up just a little bit. So the only difference is one little part right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to ask yourself again, the always the goal is, how can I make 100? Which number is closest to 100? 45 or 199? Well, 199 is super close to 100, which is the 200 mark. It doesn't have to just be 100. It's always 100, 200, 300, 400, and so on. So whatever number is closest to 100, my guys today remembered and observed that whatever number is closest to the 100, the other number is the one that's going to actually get broken down and decomposed. So where my class today and this paper differs just a little bit is this one extra step we did, but they're having us do it mentally. 199 plus some number equals 200. How do I get from 199 to 200? Well, I just add 1, right? And so when they did that, they said 199 plus 1 is 200. Well, here's my 199. So now I have to say, how do I get to 200? 199 plus 1, so I put my little 1 here, and that's how I got to 200. So these two numbers added together gets to be 200. Well, I still have a blank over here, so I'm not going to skip that and go down to here. I need to fill in this blank. So now we've got a number bond here, 45 and something. And oh, look, I already have a 1 here. So we used to, when we decomposed 45, we always think tens, ones. But now we already have a number. They gave us 1. So now we had to think what two numbers added together using 1 as 1 added gets to 45. 45 minus 1 was 44. So let's see if that makes sense. 44 plus 1, yes, equals 45. Okay, well now we already used 44, so they got it down here for us. Here's my 200. What's 44 plus 200? And you say, oh, 44 plus 200 equals 244. So basically they're trying to do some rounding. They're trying to make life a little bit easier for you, knowing that these two numbers added together, with this being an even 200, gives you 244. So what they didn't show you is how they got 45 to down here to 44. Well, that's where these two number bonds came in. So we already used that 1, and that 44 just got dropped down here, plus the 200 equals 244. So 45 plus 199 equals 244. And if you're really working tonight, you're going to go back and double check using the traditional old school way that we learned last unit. 9 plus 5, so 9 plus 5 is 14. Put down the 4, carry the 1. 9 plus 4 plus 1 more again is 14. 1 plus 1 is 2. 244, 244. So let's do one more, just in case you need another little reminder. So which one is closest to 100? 199. And this one is going to be decomposed. It's always the opposite. Don't just jump down here and do 60 and 2, because that's not going to be right. So 199 plus something equals the 200. 199 plus 1. And again, they skipped that step that we did in class. How do we get to 200? We add 1. So there's that side, but now we've got this side. And here's my number bond. 62, 1. 62 minus 1, or 1 plus something, equals 62. It's got to be 61. Now, we've got a 61 plus 2, an even 200. So we don't even really have to do any adding in our head or on our fingers, if you still add on your fingers. It's just 261. So 62 plus 199 is 261. Let's be overachievers and go up here and do a little double-digit addition, traditional way. 9 plus 2, 11, carry the 1. 9 plus 6, plus 1 more is 16. Put down the 6, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. And I know you're thinking, Mrs. Evans, you forgot to box in your final answer. And I boxed it in here, and I boxed it in here. And that's how they do this type of taking apart a number to make 100. I hope that helps tonight. Have a good night, everyone.